Okay.
I have to go into my settings to even allow. Okay, let me see now. Can you guys see that? What do you guys see? Is it just still me?
No, I can see your screen, your slides.
Okay, good. Okay. So I'm gonna go for
Oh, am I on here?
Are you on here twice?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. Do I have 2 teams running or something? What the heck? Okay. That's fine.
Okay. Today's story from muffins. Have you ever eaten a muffin before?
Yes.
What do you think about them?
Yes.
What do you like?
What do we like? I like how they are warm when they come out of the oven.
I like when they have chocolate chips that are kind of like melty in them. Those are my favorite type.
My mom and I recently had a baking day and made a ton of muffins. We made lots of different types of muffins. Let me show you a picture of the muffins we made. Can you guys see that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Ooh.
What do you notice about the muffins in the picture?
They're chocolate.
There's one missing.
Good job. Okay. Here's a picture of all my muffins that I made in a basket. What do you notice and wonder about the picture?
Some have blue dots in them.
Good job. There were 11 muffins in the basket. Some of the muffins are blueberry and some are strawberry. I'm going to share a story problem with you. I want you to listen to the story problem, and then I'm going to ask you to put the story problem in your own words. Mila owns a bakery. This morning, she made 11 muffins. Some muffins were strawberry and the rest were blueberry. How many blueberry muffins and how many strawberry muffins did Mila make? Okay, close your eyes and picture the word problem as I reread it again. Mila owns a bakery. This morning, she made 11 muffins. Some muffins were strawberry and the rest were blueberry. How many blueberry muffins and how many strawberry muffins did Mila make? Taylor, can you share the story problem with me in your own words?
Mila made some strawberry muffins, and she also made some blueberry muffins, and there's 11 total, so we have to figure out how many are strawberry and how many are blueberry.
Good job. Before we get started solving the problem, let's take a moment to repeat the problem to a friend. As you share the problem, be sure to share all the important information and what we are trying to find out. Okay. Can you guys please share with me one last time about the problem before we get started?
I don't remember.
Well, the story problem is Mila owns a bakery. This morning she made 11 muffins. Some muffins were strawberry and the rest were blueberry. How many blueberry muffins and how many strawberry muffins did Mila bake?
So there are 11 in all. Some are blueberry and some are strawberry.
Yes, good job. You may use a pencil, paper, or manipulatives to solve this problem and share your thinking. You may choose whatever tools you want to use to solve this problem. I'd like you to start working alone on the problem. As you find a solution, please use a paper I've provided to record your solution and thinking. Later, I will ask you to talk about the problem and how you answered it. Okay, did you guys finish answering the problem?
Yes.
Okay. Can one of you share what you have written? What does that number represent?
I just remember there were 11.
Okay. What is the story problem asking? Do you remember the story problem?
That there were 11 in all, and some are strawberry and some are blueberry.
How can you show that there are some blueberry and some strawberry?
Can I use blocks?
Yes.
Okay.
This is what I did.
Oh, good job. What do those numbers represent?
I'm not really sure.
What does the 9, why did you write 9 and 2?
Because equal 11.
Good job. So some are, 9 of them could be blueberry and 2 of them could be strawberry. Good job. What does the 6 and the 5 represent?
The 6 represents, I'm not sure. It represents muffins.
Good job. Okay.
Okay. So I used blocks this time,
Okay.
and I found 10 blueberry and 1 strawberry.
Oh, good job. Can you show that in an addition problem?
10 plus 1.
Good job. What does that equal? Good job. Does that equal?
What'd you say?
What does that equal?
Oh, 11.
Good job. Okay. And can I see your work again, Taylor?
Yes.
Good job. Okay. What does the 4 and 7 represent? Can you explain? And what do those two numbers equal?
They're numbers that add up to 11.
Good job. Okay.
They're muffins.
Good job, everyone. Okay.
All right. Is that all we have to do for that one?
Yeah. So now, do we need to take a second and answer the
Oh, yeah.
PowerPoint?
Yes.
Is mine? Okay, I know I keep asking this, but do you guys see me or my screen?
I see you.
I see.
Okay. Thank you.
Sorry, my Wi-Fi keeps cutting out. So if during my lesson, if I just cut out, you guys just let me know and I'll restart what I said.
Okay.
Seems good.
Oh wait, are we supposed to just all on the same one or make a copy?
We're all supposed to go on the same one.
All right, is everyone all done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Let me know when I should get started. Oh, Jessica, I've got a quick question about the Teams recording. Will it? You said it got sent to me,
Yeah.
or like, okay, so does it get sent like into my inbox?
I emailed it to you guys. The link.
Okay. I just put WebEx during the quiz because I do. Okay, but the link should come on, like you'll have the link after the meeting and then we'll all just.
Yes, I think she wants us to post this one to YouTube.
Okay.
So I can do that.
Sounds.
You're frozen if you can hear us.
Okay. Sorry, I froze again.
You're good.
Okay. All right, I'm ready when, oh, actually, let me share my screen first. Okay, can you guys see my screen? So, yeah, can you guys see my screen?
It's loading.
Okay. You know?
Mm-mm.
No, it's still loading.
It's just like black.
Okay. Yeah, I got my other laptop right here, so I can just hold the here, I guess.
Okay.
Just clear that. Okay, how do I stop sharing? Okay.
Now
Is
you're
it back
frozen
to-
again.
Oh, is it back to normal now?
Yeah, there, okay. Oh.
Oh, poor thing.
Sorry, is it working now? You see me?
I hear
You're
you frozen.
Okay. That's frustrating.
If you have slides, you could probably email them to us,
Mm-hmm.
and we can look at them that way. Because we can hear you.
Okay, sounds good. And I can see that perfectly. So I'm so sorry about okay. I'm sorry about this.
No, you're so.
You're good.
Okay. I'm gonna. Can you still see me?
Your head's in a different position, but it's still frozen.
Oh my gosh. That's if you want to go. This is like loading, or we can wait. It doesn't matter.
I can go if you would like.
Oh, see, now you're fine now.
Oh,
Great. Try real
Great.
quick while you're working.
okay. To share my screen.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you see this now? Oh, wait, it says presenting.
Yes.
There we go.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like this because I don't want to something happen. Okay. So, I will begin now. So sorry about that. Okay. So today, our story problem is about trick-or-treating. Have you guys ever been trick-or-treating before?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, what happens when you go trick-or-treating?
We are in a neighborhood and you walk up to your neighbor's door and you knock and say trick or treat.
Yeah, and what do you get when you go trick-or-treating? Jessica?
Free candy.
Yeah, that's the best, right?
Mm-hmm.
So, my brother Billy loves to go trick-or-treating, and this is a picture from last Halloween. Oh, wait. Oops, sorry. Oh, no, sorry. What do you notice about this candy right here?
There's a ton of candy.
There's a ton of candy, and how is it organized?
It's like sorted by type of candy.
Does anyone else organize their candy like this?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
Some. Yeah, I know when I was growing up, I always organized my candy after I came home from trick-or-treating and counted all my pieces. Has anyone counted all their pieces before?
Yeah.
Yeah, get a really big number, I'm sure. Okay, guys. So here is a picture of my brother Billy from last Halloween. See, he's dressed as a pirate. And he had gone to just 2 houses, and the first house gave him a huge handful of Reese's, and the second house gave him a huge handful of Twix. So in his little bucket right here, Billy has 11 pieces of candy. Some were Reese's and some were Twix, just like I said. If Billy has 11 pieces in all, how many pieces could be Reese's and how many could be Twix? So I want you guys to close your eyes and imagine Billy's bucket full of candy. There's 11 pieces and some are Reese's and some are Twix. So I want you guys to just imagine this for 15 seconds. Okay, sounds good. Well, can someone repeat the problem back to me in their own words?
Billy went trick-or-treating and he had 11 pieces of candy that were Reese's, and then some were also Twix.
Awesome job. And Jessica, can you share with Ashlyn the most important parts of the story problem?
There were 11 pieces, and some were Reese's, and some were Twix.
Awesome job. And now, do you guys have any kinds of questions before we get started solving this problem? Okay, well, I've got some different manipulatives for you guys to use, and also paper and pencil, and you guys can get started on solving this problem however you would like.
Okay.
All right, once you're done with your work, you can show me what you've got. Whoever wants to go. So, Ashlyn, what does that number represent?
11 Reese's and Twix.
Awesome. So, where did you get that number?
Billy has 11 pieces of candy.
Yes, you are completely correct there. I think that we need to read this question again to really understand what the question's asking. Do you want to do that with me?
Yes.
Am I still staring at my screen?
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Billy has 11 pieces of candy in his bucket. Some were Reese's and some were Twix. Now here's the question. How many pieces could be Reese's and how many pieces Twix? So Ashlyn, what are you finding out?
There are 11 in all in total.
Yes, you're right. And so you're figuring out how many are what?
How many are Reese's and then how many are Twix?
Absolutely. Now, Jessica, can I see your work again? Okay, what does that picture represent?
6 Twix on top, all colored in, and then 5 Reese's on the bottom.
Perfect. So how did you get those numbers?
I just guessed and counted 11 circles and circled and colored in some of them.
That's a good way to, well, that's an interesting tactic to solve that problem. Do you think that you're done here, or are you going to try some more combinations of how to find 11?
I think I'm done.
I think let's try to find some more solutions doing a different strategy. So could you draw more pictures of the Reese's and Twix, but maybe coloring in different candies or different amounts of Reese's and different amounts of Twix?
Yeah, I can do that.
Awesome. All right, Ashlyn, how's it going?
Good.
Good.
Okay. I did a chart and I knew there were 11. So I knew one side was Reese's and the other side was Twix. And I counted out 11. So like I did 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 11.
That is such a smart idea. I love your use of the T-chart. Do you think that there's any other ways that you could make 11 using the same strategy or even a different?
I could use blocks and get 11 blocks and split them to show some are Twix and some are Reese's.
Sorry, you froze or I froze.
Blocks and get 11 and show that some are Reese's and some are Twix.
Okay, that's a great idea. I want you to keep working. And Jessica, how's it coming along?
So I started coloring in more circles with my green marker to show that they were Twix and not Reese's. And I found all these different ways.
job. I like your thinking. So what about instead of Twix and 5 Reese's, you had 5 Twix and 6 Reese's? What would happen there? What would happen to your answers?
Would I leave more? I wouldn't color as many of them green.
So would doing that strategy, the commutative property, would that help you find some more answers to this problem?
I think so.
Yeah, awesome. I think you should start.
Okay, I'll draw more circles.
Awesome. And Ashlyn, do you have anything to show me, or you completed?
I have the same. Well, this time I drew.
Okay.
This time I drew circles and also colored in some of them, and drew 11 circles and colored in some, the ones that I wanted to.
Awesome. Thank you for solving this problem. How many answers did you get doing that?
The T chart first, I had for Reese's, I had 6. And for Twix, I had 5. And then when I colored in my circles, I also flipped the numbers, so it was 6 Twix, 5.
So you think you're done solving this problem?
Say that again?
No.
Wait, say that again?
Do you done problem?
You're breaking up.
Yeah.
Sorry, I'm all done.
You're done?
I'm about to connect. Yeah, I'm done. I'm about to connect
Okay.
my phone hotspot. Maybe that will work.
Okay, so now do we have to answer the PowerPoint?
Yeah. So, Okay. I don't know if you guys can hear me.
We can't. You're good.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. My Google Slides stopped working, so I'll just finish my last question at the end.
Okay, cool. Can you guys see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, cool. Let me pull up my lesson plan real quick. There. Okay. What do you guys notice about this picture?
Two different lollipops.
Yeah.
There's one lollipop, and then there's two lollipops.
Yeah. Have you guys had lollipops before?
Yes.
Yes.
What do you guys notice about this picture?
The little girl is, or boy, I can't tell. Is trick or treating.
Yeah. Does anybody else notice anything?
She has candy in her basket.
She does. So the little girl in this picture, her name is Sarah. Sarah and her mom went to the store to get lollipops, and they picked out 11 lollipops. Some were pink and some were blue. How many lollipops are pink and how many lollipops are blue? Can anybody tell me what the problem is asking in their own words?
Sarah has 11 lollipops, and some were pink and some are blue.
Yeah. Ashlyn, what is this problem asking us to do?
Well, there's 11 lollipops, so it's asking us how many are, blue? Some are pink, and some are also blue. So we have to find out how many are some.
Yeah, you guys are exactly right. Is that? So I'm gonna give you guys a chance to kind of solve this on your own piece of paper. You can use the blocks, the pop cubes, or you can use pen and paper, and then I will see what you guys come up with. Okay, are y'all done?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool. Can you guys show me what you came up with? Okay. All right, we're gonna start with Taylor. Taylor, what do you have there?
I've got different unific cubes that equal 11.
How do you know that they equal 11? Did you count them?
Yeah, I counted all of them.
Cool. Well, let's start by reading the problem over again. What is it asking us to do?
It's asking us to find how many pink and how many blue lollipops there are.
Okay, so from your 11, how many of them are pink and how many of them are blue?
So in this one right here, 10 of them are pink and one of them is blue. And this one here, 8 of them are pink and 3 of them are blue. And then in this one here, 6 of them are pink and then 5 of them are blue.
I like that. You came up with a lot of different ways to solve this problem. Good job.
Thank you.
Do you think that there are any more solutions to this problem?
Probably I would just need more time to think about it.
Okay, well, I'll give you some time to think, and I'm going to talk to Ashlyn. Can you show me your paper again? Awesome. So what do those numbers represent?
They are numbers that equal, two numbers that equal to 11.
Okay. So you wrote a 4 and a 6,
Yes. A 5 and
or a
a
5 and a 6?
5.
Okay. What?
I didn't write 56.
Okay. Well, how could we make it look not like 56? Is there something we could put in between those two numbers to make it look like they're two separate numbers?
Plus.
Yeah. So let's write them again, and let's put a plus sign in there. How you doing over there, Taylor?
I'm doing good. Oops, I'm making more 11.
Good.
I put a pattern in the number, and if I do, if I do one less of the color or one more of the different color and one other one, I can find more solutions.
Great job. You found an awesome pattern that you can use to help you find all the solutions. Ashlyn, did you finish writing all of them?
Yes.
Oh, awesome.
And I circled them too.
And you circled them. I love it. So I see that you wrote 11 plus 0. What does that one mean?
Well, that there are 11 total. And that doesn't make sense. Yeah. Well, there's 11 in all. So, and then there's 0. That makes sense. All. So, and then there's.
So would all of them be one color?
Yes, all of them would be one
Okay.
color. So I need to.
Okay. Good job. Okay, I'm done.
Okay. Good job.
All right. And now we fill out slides. All right.
Okay.
We all done?
Yes.
Cool.
My thing is still reconnecting, so I'll just let you guys know when I'm
Okay.
done.
Okay.
Sorry. Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.